Today we'll talk about how can you disable event cancellation notifications on your Meetup. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on push notifications, click on it. So then you come to next step here, click here on notifications categories here. Then you come to next step here, come here to event cancellations here. So then you click in this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean event cancellations notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.